This is not just an attack. This is a warning written in fire. A message aimed at the heart of global industry, and the impact, it could travel far beyond the Middle East. Well, reports are now emerging that Iran has launched missiles and drone attacks targeting one of Saudi Arabia's biggest industrial giant, SABIC. The location? Jubail Industrial City, basically a massive hub of petrochemical production that powers industries across the world. Can you picture the scene here? Sirens, explosions, flames rising from industrial complexes, thick black smoke covering the skyline. Early reports suggest fire broke out at key facility, sending immediate shockwave through global energy market and the global supply chain. This is not just about one company. SABIC is not an ordinary name. It is one of the largest petrochemical producers in the world. Its products go into everything. Yes, plastics, fertilizers, packaging, construction material, even parts used in cars and electronics. In simple terms, if SABIC is hit, industries across the continents will feel it. Now think bigger. Over 140 countries depend, directly or indirectly, on supply chains that are connected to this ecosystem. A disruption over here does not stay local, it spreads. Prices rise, production slows, markets react, and uncertainty that grows. But you know why this target? That is the key question though. Analysts believe that this could be a strategic response. In recent weeks, Iran's own energy infrastructure has reportedly come under attack. Now, the strike appears to be sending a clear message here. If we are hit, we can hit back, and we can hit where it hurts the most. This is what experts are calling a shift towards economic warfare. Not just military bases now, not just strategic sites, but economic lifelines. Energy, industry, in fact supply chain, the pillars that keep the countries running. And here is where it gets even more serious. Saudi Arabia is not just any country in this equation. It is one of the world's largest energy producers. A disruption over here can influence global oil prices, manufacturing costs, and even inflation in multiple economies. And at the very same time, questions are being raised. How effective were the defenses? Were these missiles intercepted? How much damage was actually done? Because in conflict like this, initial reports often show only part of the picture. Now let's zoom out. Saudi Arabia, the United States, Israel, multiple players, rising tension, expanding target. The battlefield is no longer limited. It is spreading across borders, across sectors, and across economies.